Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Rashmi and today I'm going to show you how to crochet millstone stitch. For this tutorial I've used double knit yarn in a variety of colours and the details of this can be found in the description box below. Now today's tutorial I am going to be discussing two different sizes blankets with you. First one is for a stroller and the second is a standard baby blanket size. If you wish to make a blanket for a stroller, I would suggest for you to go ahead and chain 64, and for a standard baby blanket size you need to chain 104. Brick stitch is worked in multiples of 8, so if you're planning to use this particular stitch for a different project, make sure that you chain any multiple of 8. Let's go ahead, grab a colour of our outside or the outline of our bricks and work a slip knot. Use any method that you prefer to do this. Slip your crochet in, tighten the loop around your crochet and yarn over, pull through the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop, and use this method to get your desired number of chains. I have my 24 chains now. Once you've got your desired number of chains, you're going to skip the first chain. This is just a loop on your crochet, so this is my first chain. I'm going to work a single crochet in the second chain. Stick your crochet in your second chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through both in one go. That's my first single crochet of this row. Stick your crochet in the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through both, and just like this you're going to work a single crochet in every single one of these chains all the way to the end. At the end of this row of single crochets we're going to go ahead and change the yarn over to the color of your main bricks. I'm planning to change it to this pink color. Grab hold of the color onto your hook and pull this in through this loop that you had on your crochet. I've already gone ahead and snipped my old color off. You're going to hold on to the tail ends and pull them down, and that should secure it in place. You can go ahead and give this a knot or use a different method to attach the color if you wish. Chain one, turn your work around, and in the very first stitch here we're going to work a single crochet. Stick your crochet in this space, pull up a loop. We have 2 loops on our crochet. Yarn over, pull through both in one go. We're going to work half double crochet in the next stitch. Yarn over your crochet, go in this stitch, pull up a loop. We have 3 loops on our crochet. Yarn over and go through all 3 in one go. In the next stitch we're going to have a double crochet. Yarn over, stick your crochet in, pull up a loop. We have 3 loops on our crochet again, but this time we're going to yarn over, go through the first 2, and then yarn over, go through the next 2. We are going to now have 2 double crochets in the next 2 stitches. Yarn over, 1 double crochet in this one, and 1 double crochet in the next one. In the next stitch we are going to have a half double crochet. Put your crochet in, pull up a loop, 3 loops on our crochet, yarn over, pull through all 3. Next we are going to have a single crochet like this. We're now going to chain 1 and skip 1 stitch, and we're going to repeat this again over here and keep repeating until the end. I've only got a few stitches, so we'll work on this together. So we're going to skip this one, go into the second one from where we have stopped and work a single crochet to start. Follow this on with half double crochet, then we're going to have 3 double crochets in the next 3 stitches, 1 in each. That's 2, and here's my third one. And now we're going to have half double crochet and then a single crochet to finish this part of the brick as well. Chain 1, skip 1 stitch, and we're going to repeat this one last time in here. First going to have single crochet, half double crochet, 3 double crochets. That's 1, 2 and 3. You should have 2 stitches left after that. In one of them I'm going to go ahead and work half double crochet, and in the last one you're going to work a single crochet. There we go. That brings us to the end of row 2. To start the next row, we're going to chain 1, turn our work around. We are going to repeat row 2 and do exactly the same thing in row 3 as well. So for this one, first stitch we'll have a single crochet, yarn over, going to the next stitch where we're going to work half double crochet. In the next 3 stitches we're going to have double crochets. That's my first one, second, and here's the third one. Next stitch is going to have half double crochet. We're going to have a single crochet in the next stitch over. Chain 1, skip 1, and in the single crochet from my previous row I'm going to have a single crochet. In a half double crochet from my previous row I'm going to have a half double crochet. Then come 3 double crochets. That's first one, second, third. Follow this on with half a double crochet and a single crochet, and you're going to chain 1, skip this chain 1 from previous row, single crochet and single crochet, follow on with half double crochet, 3 double crochets in a row, and finish this row off again with half double crochet and a single crochet in my last stitch. There we go. Now this brings us to the end of row 3, and this is our brick complete. Now we are going to get the perfect finish up top by changing the color one more time. We're going back to the color from row 1. So I've got my white color. I am going to grab hold of this yarn, pull this through the loop. Let's go ahead and snip our pink yarn and give these 2 bits a little knot in place. Now from here we're going to chain 1, turn our work around, and we're going to work on top of these stitches. We are now going to have 1 single crochet in each of these stitches. There's 2, until we get to our chain 1 space. So keep following this on with 1 single crochet all the way until we get to our chain 1 space. And here's my chain 1 space. Once you get to this, you are going to make a long double crochet, yarn over, going to skip this chain space, skip the next chain space, and we're going to a single crochet space from here in our first row. So yarn over, and we're going all the way down to our first row, stick your crochet in there, yarn over, pull up a loop, and make sure your grip is nice and loose at this point so that this allows us to stretch the loops up. Make sure that they are the same size as the other stitches, and we're going to finish off our double crochet by pulling through 2 and then going through 2. Just like this, you're going to carry on and work a single crochet in the next few stitches until we get to our chain 1 space. There we are, and my last single crochet. Now I am back to my chain 1 space. We're going to miss this chain 1 space, miss this chain 1 space, and we're going to yarn over and go in our first round. Directly below our chain 1 space there is a single crochet. That's where we're going to work our double crochet. Yarn over, go into that stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, keep your grip nice and loose, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now to finish this off, we're going to carry on working single crochets till the end of this row. And last stitch here, a single crochet in there as well. And there you have it. This is your nice and simple millstone stitch, and it's really nice and easy to work and very quick to work as well. Now back to the blanket sizes. If you are working stroller blanket and you chained 64 at the beginning, I would suggest for you to work 70 rows of these bricks. Now let me show you. if we are to measure one of these bricks, just the brick part, it works out to be 1 inch. And for a stroller blanket, you need 35 inches altogether. So I would suggest for you to work around 65 to 70 rows of these bricks. So this is just 1 brick stitch, I would say. So you need 70 of these altogether. And if you're working a standard baby blanket size, you need 90 rows altogether. Again, be mindful that I'm talking about the rows of bricks. So this is 1 row of complete bricks. At the end, you can go ahead and work all these ends in by using a darning needle. And there you have it. This is your millstone stitch. If you enjoyed learning the stitch with me, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below as well. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.